also a project of which they're going to build a new 5-star Richmond hotel. And of course, there's going to be a theme park with a 15-story high Ferris wheel that will be between SM City and Mega World. And in front of SM City, for those of you who love malling, going to the malls, especially my mom, in front of SM City is a 21-story high condominium that is going to be built. That is going to be the tallest building. Our City Hall is now on its way. We hope to finish it on our 74th year, chartered year celebration, which will be on August 25th this year. So we will have a 7-story City Hall with cafeteria on the 8th floor. And of course, there's going to be a statue of Ilonggo Pride, which will be on top of the dome, that we more or less got inspired from the Lady of Freedom from the US Capitol. So we're going to put our own version. And of course, our Central Market, we're just done with the terms of reference, because we're going to put up a new building there, and it's going to be a joint venture. We would like to promote tourism. There are already several tour packages in the city of Iloilo. The rivers, what I've said, we'll clean it up, and we're going to put up an esplanade. An esplanade is a promenade beside the river. In Iloilo City, it's called Mang Inasal. It's a chicken barbecue. So, with this, we have a new place to go to, especially if your children would like to come to Iloilo. We have a new nightlife area there, night spot that's called Smallville. So there are a lot of nice things there, especially in the evenings. And of course, the latest addition is Plazuela Iloilo. It's owned by the Floretes. It's a big commercial complex beside SM City. And very recently is the opening of Starbucks.